Hi everyone. If you are preparing for the TCS NQT, okay, then this is for you. I have also cleared TCS NQT for prime role, okay, and in interviews I got degraded to the digital role, but I have cleared the prime role, okay, and in Infosys I have cleared DSC role. I have selected for the SP, but also degraded to the DSC role. Now, if you guys are also preparing for the TCS NQT, then this is for you. Now we are starting a series in which we solve all the problems related to TCS NQT, which is asked by the TCS. The TCS does not ask problems related to DP, graph, or tough problems. Okay, TCS asks basic problems like arrays, numbers, sorting, string number system. Basically, these problems are based on mathematics. Okay, formula based problems like this, and some medium level problems of strings. So you does not need to prepare hard problems solving lead code hard or code forces. You just need some of the good questions that actually covers all the topics of the TCS NQT. So we will make a 5 to 10 minute video in which in one video we solve one question, and in a week we will upload 5 videos each on one topic. One video from arrays, one numbers, one on number system, one on sorting, one on strings. Okay. In a week, we will cover all 5 topics. Every each video contains one category. Okay, so you need to watch these 100 videos, and I guarantee after these 100 videos, you will definitely able to solve in two coding questions in your TCS NQT. Okay, you does not need any other videos, any other things. Just be with us, and I promise to you, watch these 100 videos, only 5 to 10 each video. Okay, you will able to solve your TCS NQT exam and definitely get your prime role, digital role. Okay, definitely you can crack. Just be with us. Okay.